Ever wondered what it feels like to stand at the edge of the world's largest waterfall? Welcome to Victoria Falls, a marvel nestled between Zambia and Zimbabwe, and one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Close your eyes and imagine the thunderous harmony of water cascading down, painting a majestic spectacle that leaves one breathless. Picture the misty spray that dances in the air, a tangible testament to the fall's raw power. Prepare yourself as we dive into the history and significance of this natural wonder. The history of Victoria Falls is as captivating as its beauty. Originating from a time when the land was untouched by modern influences, Victoria Falls was known to the local tribes long before it was introduced to the outside world. These tribes, living in harmony with the land, revered the falls for their sheer power and majesty, naming them Mosi-oa-Tunya, or the smoke that thunders. A name that still echoes in the air, resonating with the thunderous roar of the water cascading down. Then, in the mid-19th century, a new chapter in the history of the falls began. Scottish explorer David Livingstone, on his relentless pursuit of discovery, came across this natural wonder in 1855. He was so taken aback by its grandeur that he decided to name it after his queen, Victoria. And so a Scottish explorer's tribute to his queen, thousands of miles away, became the globally recognized name of this spectacular waterfall. But even as it adopted a new name, the falls never lost their cultural significance to the local tribes. For them, Victoria Falls remains a sacred site, a testament to the power of nature and a symbol of their ancestral heritage. It is a place where the past and the present coalesce, where the thunderous roar of the water tells a tale of discovery, reverence, and respect. The history of Victoria Falls is undeniably intertwined with both the local culture and the explorative spirit of the 19th century. Fast forward to the present, Victoria Falls continues to hold great significance. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it represents a significant part of our natural history, a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of our planet. But its importance extends beyond its geological and historical value. Victoria Falls is a major draw for tourists from across the globe, its thundering waters and misty rainbows captivating hearts and minds alike. This influx of visitors plays a vital role in bolstering the economies of Zambia and Zimbabwe, providing employment opportunities and promoting local businesses. Moreover, Victoria Falls is a thriving ecological hotspot. Its surrounding rainforest is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, some of which are unique to this region. This biodiversity is a treasure trove for scientists and conservationists, offering valuable insights into our natural world. Indeed, the Victoria Falls, apart from being a stunning spectacle, is a crucial part of our global heritage. So, what does Victoria Falls mean to you? Perhaps it's a testament to the grandeur of nature, a chapter from the annals of history, or a beacon of present-day ecological significance. This cascade represents a vibrant blend of culture, history, and ecology that's as captivating as it is complex. It's a symbol of the awe-inspiring power of nature, a page from our shared past, and an ecological marvel that continues to fascinate us today. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a thrill seeker, Victoria Falls promises an experience that's nothing short of breathtaking.